Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an algebraic equation, and we've pulled this question from the IEB's 2019 Supplementary exam. So we're going to deal with 1 in this video, and it's log p, open brackets, x times x plus p, close that small bracket, big bracket equals 0. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to use the definition of a log. So I'm going to give you a quick recap. So log of b x equals a. What would that mean? How can we rewrite that in a different way? Well, we know this is our base, so the base there is going to be b. This is going to be our exponent, so it's going to be a equals that value over there equals x, right? So we're going to use that procedure here. So we've got the base of p, so p, then we've got to the 0, so that would be there, and that equals this over there. So it's going to be x times x plus p. Right, so now what we're going to do, we simplify that, so that's going to be p to the 0 is 1 equals, we're going to multiply that out, so it's going to be x squared plus px. And now we see that we're going to have a quadratic equation, so 2 answers to this one. So it's going to be 0 is equal to x squared plus px minus 1, right? So because this is a p, we don't really know what p is, so we can't factorize it. So what we need to do here is use our quadratic equation, okay, quadratic formula. And in that case, we're going to get that x is going to be equal to minus b plus minus, what is it? B squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Right, so let's plug in the values we know. So in this case, p is going to be our b value, so it's minus p plus minus. Then within the root, we've got p squared minus 4ac, so that c is a negative 1. The a is a 1, so that's going to be plus 4 all over 2. And that gives you x in terms of p, either as a plus the third divided by 2 or minus the third divided by 2. And that's all from me. That gives you the answer and gets you a couple of good, well-deserved marks. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.